Hello there, and welcome to Golden Canvas. Today, I'll be guiding you through a preset titled Emerald. Let's get started. Here are some before and after example photos with the preset applied. Awesome! Now, let's begin by selecting a photo. This girl with leaves looks peaceful. Let's go with her. We'll start by adjusting the light settings. Let's begin by setting the exposure to -0.20. Contrast to +15. Highlights up to +13. Shadows lowered to -17. Whites at +28. Blacks to -8. Here's what we have so far. The tone curves should be adjusted as follows. That about does it. Next, we'll start adjusting the color. Let's nudge the temp to +3. Tint down -10. Vibrance at -8. Saturation bump to +3. Now for the color mix. Red hue, +15. Saturation to +7. Luminance -13. Orange hue, -11. Saturation -22. Luminance down to -8. Yellow hue, -22. Saturation down to -48. Luminance drop to -19. Green hue, +5. Saturation, drop to -40. Luminance to -45. Aqua hue, -18. Saturation at -24. Luminance down to -7. Blue hue to -12. Saturation to -12. Luminance down to -5. Violet hue, left at 0. Saturation down to -30. Luminance at -12. Magenta hue, left at 0. Saturation drop to -18. Luminance to -10. That's a wrap for color. Let's head over to effects. We'll adjust the texture to +14. Let's bump the clarity over +10. Dehaze 2+7. Next, split tones. Set the highlights to 120. And saturation at 6. For shadows, hue at 210. And saturation to 10. Perfect. Here's what we have so far. Now, on to detail. Sharpening to 81. Masking bumped up to 65. Color noise reduction at 50. And that's it, we're done. Now, let's copy the settings and apply them to some other photos. I really hope you all enjoyed this preset. If you would like to, a like, comment, or hitting subscribe for more would be greatly appreciated. Much love, and see you soon!